I'm Adam David Collins, the author of Jewel of the Stars, and today I'm talking about Amish Werewolves of Space by Kerry Neitz. Amish Werewolves of Space is the third book in the Peril in Plain Space series. You may have heard of the first book, Amish Vampires in Space. It was talked about a lot in the media when it first released, including a mention on The Tonight Show with Jimmy Fallon. The book is followed by Amish Zombies from Space and now Amish Werewolves of Space. Because this is the third book in a trilogy, I'm going to be talking a little bit about the entire series. Despite its campy, potentially comedic title, Amish Vampires in Space is a serious book. It's a science fiction novel that examines the clash of cultures. A group of Amish who have settled on a distant planet to pursue their traditional life in peace require evacuation because they've learned that their sun is dying. But the journey to their new world will not be free of incident. The ship quickly becomes overrun with vampires, the result of illegal genetic experiments, and this will push the Amish and the crew of the ship to their very limits. The second book examines the origin of the vampires more closely, as the Amish community are once again threatened, this time by a zombie outbreak. One of the things that I really love about these books is the way Kerry Neitz provides a scientific explanation to classic monsters. I especially like his concept for the zombies. It's quite unique, but it works very nicely in the story. Running through all of this is the backdrop of the Gina Wars, which were fought many years ago. Amish Werewolves of Space further explores the mythology of the world. We get most of our questions answered regarding how and why the monsters were created. So what about this third book of the series then? Amish Werewolves of Space is an epic and very satisfying conclusion to the Peril in Plain Space series. The book picks up threads from the previous two books, culminating them in an exciting showdown filled with brave heroes, wild science, and epic monsters. The story blends science fiction adventure with mystery and Amish drama in a way that really shouldn't work, but somehow does under the expert pen of Kerry Neitz. This series truly is the king of genre mashups. The story takes an honest look at both Amisher and Englisher cultures, showing that neither is perfect. Each is flawed and can be twisted into evil, and yet each can also produce heroes out of the unlikeliest of places. This third book allows one of the beloved Amish characters to play a vital role in the salvation of the galaxy, while still remaining completely true to who he is and what he believes. If you enjoy science fiction that examines the clash of different cultures and adds monsters to the mix for fun, then you simply must read this trilogy. I enthusiastically recommend it. And if you'd like to know more about this world of Amish, spaceships, and monsters, then you want to check out my interview with author Kerry Neitz. You'll find it embedded down there. And if you want to read a free science fiction story of mine, then be sure to join my readers group at adamdavidcollins.com/free, and you'll get immediate access to The Fall of the HMAS Adelaide. I'm very proud of this story, and I think you'll really like it.